3:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Arlington Heights to near Hoffman Estates, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include far north side of Chicago, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Glenview, Buffalo Grove, Bartlett, Bossier Airport, Streamwood, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Wheeling, Park Ridge, Addison, and Glendale Heights. This includes Open Community College, Schaumburg Boomers Baseball, and Harper College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.